Today's video, guys, check it out. Got the war rig out running, doing the A-arms and the rear end. Took this one off. So we did it was a fucking job, guys. That's why I didn't film, because I was working and I don't have time to do that. Gotta get stuff done, you know? This is the old one. This is the new used one for me. And we got the Max Pitting, the greasers, everything. KYBs. Made in Japan. Hell yeah. So this car does not have ABS. That's the only thing it didn't have. So I can't use ABS, but I am gonna put new brakes and calipers and lines. It doesn't have a center line either, and the U-joints. But I'll probably do those videos later, and this wave bar, I'll put that on later. But I just wanted to show you guys that I am doing it. We're getting it done. Check it out. We had to widen those up on that fucker with a hammer and stuff. Don't worry about the brake lines. We're getting new ones and calipers, so they can hang like that for now. What, Terminator? That car's going down like Terminator. Whoa, don't fall, Aaron, don't fall. That guy right there, he's rich, but he doesn't let people know. He's wealthy. I'm gonna support it so it can get lifted up. Nito, I need to go inside and hold it or what? Let me start helping guys, and I'll show you the end, and we'll test drive and everything. I'll show you all that. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.